Hey mini mates! Dive into a fun-filled adventure where toddlers can explore the muddy world of farm animals and sea animals. This engaging activity combines learning and play, offering young children an interactive experience they will love. Learn about the daily routines, habitats, and sounds of these farm animals through fun activities. Learn about the marine environment, different sea creatures, and their unique behaviors. Let's get started. Demystifying chicken sounds and habits. Chicken is one of the most versatile meats enjoyed in various cuisines globally. It is a good source of lean protein. Keeping chickens as pets can have therapeutic benefits. They stress and provide companionship. The diversity of rabbit breeds. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds of domestic rabbits, each with its own unique characteristic. Meet our next domestic animal, donkey. Donkeys were domesticated around 3000 BC in northeastern Africa and have been used as working animals ever since. Donkeys can live for a long time. On average, their lifespan is between 25 to 30 years, but some may live even longer with proper care. A closer look at the charismatic cat. Cats were likely first domesticated in the Near East around 7500 BCE. Primarily for their role in controlling pests, there are over 70 different recognized cat breeds, each with its own unique characteristics, appearance, and behavior. Understanding the ways of sheep. Sheep were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans around 10,000 years ago. They were initially raised for their meat, wool, and milk. One of the primary reasons humans domesticated sheep was for their wool. Different breeds of sheep produce different types of wool. Discovering the life of rhinoceros in the wild. There are 5 existing species of rhinoceros: white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Rhino horns are made of keratin, the same protein that makes up human hair and nails. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. Witnessing the wonder of dolphins. Dolphins are among the most intelligent animals on earth. They demonstrate problem-solving abilities, self-awareness, and even exhibit cultural behaviors within their pods. Dolphins are incredibly agile swimmers. Unraveling the mysteries of frogs. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they live both on land and in water. They typically start their lives as aquatic larvae and undergo metamorphosis to become terrestrial adults. Frogs are known for their exceptional jumping abilities. Let's discover next cute animal, duck. Ducks can be found on every continent except Antarctica. They inhabit a variety of environments, including freshwater lakes, rivers, marshes, and coastal areas. Ducks are omnivores, and their diet can include aquatic plants, Arctic ambassadors, the story of seals. Seals have streamlined bodies which help them move gracefully through the water. Their limbs are modified into flippers which aid in swimming. They can dive to great depths and stay submerged for extended periods. Seals have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. A visual safari into the zebra's domain. There are 3 species of zebras, and each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, similar to human fingerprints. The black and white stripes are thought to act as a form of camouflage in the grassland, confusing predators such as lions and hyenas. A deep dive into crab kingdom. Crabs inhabit a wide range of environments, including oceans, freshwater, and terrestrial areas. Some crabs are adapted to live in burrows, while others are found in coral reefs or rocky shores. One of the most distinctive features of the wonders of lobster anatomy. Lobsters are ancient creatures that have been around for millions of years. They belong to a group of animals known as decapods, which means 10-footed. There are various species of lobsters, with the most common being the American lobster and European lobster. Mysteries of Hammerhead Shark. The most striking feature of hammerhead sharks is their flattened, hammer-shaped head, which is known as a cephalophyll. This unusual shape provides several advantages, including better vision and improved maneuverability. There are several species of hammerhead sharks. Next ocean creature is fin whale. The fin whale is a magnificent marine mammal known for its large size and streamlined body. Fin whales have an estimated lifespan of around 70 to 90 years. Fin whales are typically solitary animals or found in small groups. Exploring the world of walrus. Walruses are large marine mammals with distinct features such as long tusks, a thick layer of blubber, and prominent bristles on their faces. They primarily inhabit the Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere, including the Arctic Ocean and the subarctic seas. Discover world of largest animal, blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on earth and is known for its incredible size and unique characteristics. Adult blue whales can weigh as much as 200 tons or more. The average lifespan of a blue whale is estimated to be around 70 to 90 years. Join us on the trail of the mighty elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. two main species of elephants are the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are generally larger than Asian elephants. Adult elephants can weigh anywhere from 4,500 to 11,000 kilograms. Following the trails of turtle. They use their beak-like mouth to grasp their food. This beak is made of keratin, the same stuff your fingernails are made of. Turtle shells are made of over 50 bones fused together, so they are literally wearing their bones on the outside. They also have light, spongy bones that help them float. Types of teeth, a shark tail. There are over 500 species of sharks, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 7 inches long, to the massive whale shark, which can reach lengths of over 40 feet. Sharks have been around for a long time, with fossil evidence suggesting they have been swimming in the earth. Sharks are often referred to as apex predators. Understanding the essence of rain. Sheep farming is an important agricultural industry worldwide, providing meat, wool, and other products. There are numerous breeds of sheep, each with its own unique characteristics, including size, coat color, and suitability for specific climates or purposes. In addition to meat production, sheep are also valued for their wool, which has been used for clothing. Thank you for your valuable time watching Muddy Farm Animals and Sea Animals Adventure for Toddlers Adventure. Subscribe now for an unforgettable adventure where toddlers can explore the amazing world of Muddy Farm Animals and Sea Animals. Let's play, learn, and discover together in this exciting and educational journey. Stay tuned for further muddy adventures. See you later, tiny mates.